Are you looking to make some extra income in 2023? If so, affiliate marketing may just be the opportunity you need. With the rise of e-commerce and online shopping, affiliate programs have become a popular way for individuals to earn commissions by promoting products or services. In this video, we'll explore the top affiliate programs to join in 2023 and how you can maximize your earnings through them. Whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or just starting, there's something for everyone on this list. So let's dive in and discover the best affiliate programs for 2023. What is an affiliate program and how does it work? Affiliate marketing programs are collaborations that reward sales of a product or service on your websites or social media pages with commissions. Sellers or affiliate networks frequently specify the percentage of sales you will get and use affiliate links to track each transaction. These links will verify purchases and conversions, as well as track the referring visitors' IP addresses. Moreover, affiliate links employ cookies that are stored in users' web browsers for a certain period. As a result, if consumers do the specified activity within this time frame, the affiliate marketer will receive a commission. Just browse for products or services that interest you and/or your target market to join an affiliate network. Although you may join an affiliate marketing network that collaborates with a wide range of suppliers, many businesses provide internal affiliate programs. As affiliate marketing is performance-based, suppliers mostly assess it using three techniques. Pay per sale. The marketer receives rewards dependent on the number of affiliate sales they can produce. Pay per click. Affiliate partners' commissions vary according to the volume of visitors they can send to a merchant's website via an affiliate link. Pay per lead. A commission is given to each prospective client who completes the required activity, such as subscribing to a newsletter or downloading a PDF file. Best affiliate marketing programs. CJ Affiliate. CJ Affiliate, formerly known as Commission Junction, is a well-known affiliate network that facilitates connections between affiliates and various companies. Not to add, it provides thorough tools to aid companies in boosting performance and conversions. Yet because there are so many elements, learning is more difficult for beginners. It's challenging to specify the range for the commission rates due to the nature of the platform. As long as you have a sizable following in a certain market, it may even be negotiable with the advertiser. The cookieless tracking offered by CJ Affiliate is a noteworthy feature that might increase mobile conversions. This is because most applications, unlike most browsers, do not save data in cookies. Moreover, cookieless tracking respects user privacy better. Moreover, the CJ Affiliate network streamlines operations with its thorough connecting automation. You may instantly create unique links on product or service pages by dragging a bookmark to your browser's address bar. Keep in mind, though, that CJ Affiliate costs $25 each month. Your account will be deleted if your balance falls below that threshold. For non-US citizens, this affiliate network accepts checks, bank deposits, and Payoneer as payment methods. Hostinger Affiliate Program. Hostinger has great conversion potential because it is one of the most well-known website hosting companies. Also, its affiliate program gives a 60% compensation rate with no upper earning threshold for publishers. You only need to complete the affiliate form with your contact information, a link to your website or social media accounts, and the kind of material you offer to join the program. It might take up to 3 business days to complete the review. You can start marketing as soon as your account is authorized. For your websites, a variety of marketing tools are available, including professional banner design packages and seasonal ebooks. Also, you will have a committed affiliate manager to assist you in building a profitable online company. However, bear in mind that affiliates can only ask for a payout once the total hits $100. The payment is sent by PayPal or bank transfer on the 15th of every month. Renewal expenses are excluded because commissions are only charged for first purchases. Any of the business's web hosting services, such as shared hosting, managed WordPress hosting, VPS, and cloud hosting, are open to affiliate promotion. The only exceptions are third-party services like Cloudflare security, SSL certificates, and domain registration. SEMrush. One of the top affiliate programs for content marketers is provided by SEMrush. For all SEMrush membership options, including Business, Pro, and Guru, affiliates will get a set monthly commission. This brand's primary internal affiliate network used to be BRush. To enhance its affiliate program and economic strategy, the firm joined ShareASale in October 2020. The level of competition is considerable given the popularity of the brand. Fortunately, marketers may increase their revenue by utilizing an affiliate manager and more than 40 marketing tools. SEMrush accepts payments via wire transfer and PayPal. Your payment can be completed if the minimum requirement is $50. Also, you may choose your payout day or only receive payment after hitting a predetermined threshold. Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is an affiliate program offered by Amazon that allows website owners and bloggers to earn a commission by promoting Amazon products on their site. As an Amazon Associate, you can choose from over 1 million products to promote and earn a commission on each sale made through your affiliate link. The commission rates vary depending on the product category, with some categories offering a higher commission rate than others. The maximum fixed rate is 20%, which only applies to Amazon games. Meanwhile, the lowest rate is 1%, applicable for groceries, physical video games, and video game consoles. To become an Amazon Associate, you need to sign up for the program and provide basic information about yourself and your website. Once you are approved, you can start promoting Amazon products by adding links and banners to your site. Amazon Associates is a popular affiliate program due to its wide selection of products, high conversion rates, and reliable payment system. However, it is important to comply with Amazon's policies and guidelines to avoid getting your account suspended. ShareASale. ShareASale is an affiliate marketing network that connects merchants with affiliates. It was founded in 2000 and acquired by Awin in 2017. ShareASale offers a wide range of products and services that affiliates can promote on their websites, blogs, or social media channels, and earn a commission on each sale or lead generated through their unique affiliate link. ShareASale works by allowing merchants to create an account and list their products in the marketplace. Affiliates can then search for products that fit their niche and apply to become an affiliate for those products. Once approved, the affiliate can access tracking links, banners, and other promotional materials to promote the product on their website or social media channels. The commission rates vary depending on the merchant and the product, but ShareASale offers competitive commission rates for most products. ShareASale also provides reporting tools and analytics to help affiliates track their performance and optimize their campaigns. ShareASale has some of the best affiliate programs out there. Some pay $300 to $350 per sale. ShareASale is a popular affiliate network due to its wide selection of merchants and products, reliable tracking and reporting, and timely payments. However, like with any affiliate program, it is important to comply with their policies and guidelines to avoid getting your account suspended. Fiverr Affiliates. Fiverr is a well-known freelancing marketplace where you can find people to do just about anything for you, from creating your logo to writing your next popular blog article. Nevertheless, did you know that Fiverr has a dynamic affiliate network that is as varied and extensive as its selection of services? You may make up to $1,000 per transaction with a 10% revenue share on Fiverr, or up to $150 CPA for each new customer. That's correct, a single transaction may bring in a cool $1,000. Moreover, Fiverr's affiliate program offers affiliates of all experience levels a minimum compensation of just $100. There are countless service categories on Fiverr, so you'll never run out of things to advertise. There's a niche for everyone, from programming and video creation to graphic design and digital marketing. It is a true treasure for affiliates because of the versatility that allows you to target various demographics and revenue sources. Keep in mind that Fiverr, like many affiliate networks, only pays commissions for new first-time buyers, making this affiliate program less ideal for those looking to earn from recurring orders. And there you have it, folks, our top picks for the best affiliate programs for 2023. With so many opportunities out there, it's never been easier to earn passive income from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're just starting or a seasoned affiliate marketer, we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content like this. And as always, happy earning!